Hi Pearls, it's your girl Elizabeth, and today I'm bringing you an updated skincare video. Now, the last time I did a skincare video, it was a general skincare video, but this one is my updated nighttime video, and it's been a while since I've done it. So if you want to know what new products I'm using to take care of my skin, especially for the night, keep watching, and of course, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. We look forward to hearing your comments, and stay tuned for our next videos. Now, I have to start this video by saying what just happened for the last half hour, and it was me setting this up, making everything try to work, try to gel everything. I started my routine thinking, oh wow, this is gonna be a great video. I haven't done a nighttime skincare routine in so long, so I can't wait to show you what new products I'm using. So I'm like halfway through my video, and I go to check if it's recording, and guess what? Not a single second was recorded. So you missed the whole part where I had my work makeup on and I was taking it off with my makeup eraser, you know, and I was feeling good about this video, and now I have to basically start plain face. So I'm probably gonna quickly walk you through my routine because I literally had a full face of makeup on, lipstick and everything, and now I have a clean face, but I want to tell you how I got to this point and then keep it moving from there. So the first thing that I used was my makeup eraser to take off the first layer of makeup. I usually don't just go in straight with my exfoliator and my soap. I like to use my makeup eraser glove to make sure that I've taken off that first layer of makeup, and so I don't have to do too much effort when it comes to cleansing my face with my soap, with my face wash. I use lukewarm water to dampen the glove, of course. I love this glove. It's multi-use. It's dirty as hell because I've already used it. But of course, I'm just going to throw it in the wash and you reuse it at least 2 to 3 times before I ever have to even wash it again. So there you go, the makeup eraser. The second thing that I did was I used these things called little scrubbies. I got these at Walmart. They were less than $3. I love these because they have these gentle little teeth or phalanges and this smooth surface here. It gently exfoliates your skin. All you have to do is just put your favorite cleanser on. The one that I used was prescribed by my dermatologist. I just put a little bit on, you know, and I just wet my face and gently just scrub my face. I love how this feels. It's so convenient to use. All you have to do once you're done using it is rinse it off, and your skin literally is completely cleansed. You have a gentle exfoliating going, you know, your skin is glowing and it's just ready to move on to the next step. So after I've done that, I like to make sure that all of my eye makeup has been removed. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love my makeup eraser glove, but I like to just, you know, double check to make sure I have no leftover residue, especially underneath my eyes. So I make sure I have my jojoba oil and some round cotton pads. I pour a little couple drops of the jojoba oil on the pad. I'll do this part again because, you know, jojoba oil is good for you. So I add a couple drops to the pad, of course, nothing too crazy, and I gently just go under the eye and just wipe all over the eye and make sure that all of my mascara, eyeliner, eyeshadow, everything that I use for my eye makeup is completely removed. I also like to go over my eyebrows too. Jojoba oil has so many great natural products and it's so good for the skin. It's multi-use, but I love to use it to remove my eye makeup. And this was the iPad that I used to remove my eye makeup when I actually had eye makeup on. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, there was some mascara left over underneath my eye, so I'm glad that I had my jojoba oil to take care of that for me. So moving on to the next product, I've been using this new makeup, this new skincare line called The Ordinary, and I love this company. It uses great natural ingredients for a very cost-effective price point. So the first thing that I love using is the glycolic acid toner. This I think cost me like $7, and it's huge. Most products that you're buying like a toner type is half this size and not as great of a product as this Ordinary toner. So again, the pad that I was using, I just poured a couple drops on my pad. I wiped going from the inside out, and I just did it all over my face. It might have a slight tingling feeling, but it is amazing to use on the skin. It really penetrates down into your pores and removes any dirt that you had left over. And as you can see on my pad, I barely had anything left over. I mean, between the scrubby, the glove, and everything in between, the jojoba oil, my skin was pretty much cleansed by the time I got to the toner. So moving on to the next thing is my serums. So the serum that I'm using right now is called the Buffet, and it basically has every type of serum that you would need, like some peptide serum or collagen, anti-aging, anti-wrinkles. It's great for under the eye. I use this all over my face. I love how it comes into this convenient container with a measurer where you can just pour like 2 to 3 drops on your hand and just gently rub it all over your face, pat it under your eyes, over your eyelids, and of course where your smile lines are, where your crow's feet are, and just allow it to absorb into your skin. It's non-greasy, it absorbs right into the skin, and it just feels great to have on. The next thing that I use is, actually I use this kind of sparingly. This is the salicylic acid, also from The Ordinary. And again, I literally just pour 1 drop on my finger and I spot treat. Just because usually you don't need a lot of heavy salicylic acid on your face, especially after you've gone through that whole routine. But again, it does depend on your skin type, so make sure that you're taking that into consideration as you're measuring your portions out for whatever you need to take care of. So now that we've gotten through all of that, I think that's where I end up stopping off. So now I'm moving into some more serious products, and that is the Grand Active Retinol Emulsion. Now, I have a lot of blemishes. I used to have really bad acne. I still struggle with acne from now and again. So I love using this retinol cream like once or twice a week. It's very powerful, even though it says 2%. That 2% is like 100%. So I literally pour maybe 3 drops on the palm of my hand, which I'm gonna do right now. Okay, maybe 2 drops. This literally dissolves your blemishes, any type of uneven skin tone, any type of just patchiness. It gradually just evens out your skin tone. It gives you a glowy, dewy feel afterwards. It's just a great feeling on your skin. Now, when you're doing this, I like to pat this product in because it's definitely very strong. I just pat it all over my skin and it self-absorbs, so you don't have to sit there and go be crazy on it. Definitely avoid your eye area because, like I said, the skin around your eye is super sensitive, and you want to just be extra careful when you're putting very powerful product on it. So last but not least is my moisturizer. Now, I put my moisturizer on last because it has more of a thick, creamy texture to it. So I like to put this on last as like the final layer to lock everything in and lock in all of the ingredients that I just put on. And literally I just put like less than a dime size. Oh, it's good. It feels like silk. This is such a silky feeling. It's meant to be pure moisture going straight into your skin, and I love applying it on my skin every night. And yeah, just seeing the results in the morning. Your skin is just glowy, you look refreshed. It almost feels like you got a facial. So I love this moisturizer. It makes me feel like my skin is baby soft. And of course, any extra, I'm putting it on my neck, I'm putting it in my chest, I'm rubbing it on my hands, and I'm not letting any of this, oh, I just love this feeling. It's so soft. I wish you guys could feel this texture. I'm gonna leave the links or the names of the products in the comments below or in the description below. So make sure you check out the description to see the full names of everything. And we'll try to do some close-ups as well. So after I put on my moisturizer, all of my products are in. My skin feels amazing. I love the Ordinary product just because, like I was saying, it's very lightweight. It absorbs right into the skin, so you're not having to tug and pull on your skin for too long. But one of the most important things is to take care of your skin from the inside and out. So it's not just what you're putting on your face, but also what you're putting in your body. So in honor of that, I always like to finish my nighttime skincare routine with a bottle of water. I love to be drinking water all throughout the day and making sure that's how you keep your skin moisturized from the inside out. So cheers. Okay, curls, that's all for our video today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned because I just might be doing an AM video because, hey, I already have my makeup off. So I'm going to be doing another skincare video soon. This time it'll be my morning routine. It's much more modified than this, way more simple, way less products because usually I just have to get in and out in the morning. So stay tuned for our next videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!